Okay, so in this tutorial, we will run density of state calculation. In next tutorial, we can calculate partial density of state, but in this tutorial, we are only going to see density of state calculation. So let's create a new folder. We can copy NSCF folder like this. Copy NSCF folder to dos-r. So we are just copying NSCF folder into a new folder whose name is 4.dos. So it is copied. So you can see there is a new folder 4.dos, and I have two files here. This is just a script to run, and this is dos.dat. So let's see dos.in. So this is the out directory. Prefix should be similar as NSCF calculation. So we are using the same prefix in our entire calculation. If it is different, then there will be error. And the file name is like silicon.dos. Maybe I can write it as silicon. I can write si. You can give any name, and I can write dat. Maybe like this, silicon.dat. And energy. Let's write from like 20 to 20. I'm doing this because if the Fermi energy is higher, like 5, 6 electron volt, then it will be like all data will not be shown on the graph because it will have less data if we do from -5 to 5. Okay, so it's better like when there is like higher Fermi energy, get the energy from like -20 to 20, or you can change later on. You can see the data how it looks and you can change. Okay, but in this case the Fermi energy is like 6 point something, so I am just going from -20 to 20. So I'm copying this dos.in into this folder. I just copied. Also, let's check qe.mpi. Here it is little different. In my supercomputer, like if I don't use minus and pull, I don't know, it gives some error like the file is not generated, the dat file is not generated. So I'm using minus and pull. I don't know the reason. If you know the reason, you can comment. But here I have to use that. qe.mpi. I'm copying this. Okay. So I copied both file here. So let's go to this folder. Now I can run this. Here the calculation is completed. You can see we have dos.out, and also the file is generated here, silicon underscore dos.dat. So I need to download this file into my computer because this is in server. So let me download. After downloading, I will resume the video. Let me pause it. Okay, I have downloaded the file here in desktop. You can see this is the file. Let's open from Notepad++. Mm, Here is the form energy 6.747, and here is the energy. It's from -20 to 20, and this is energy. You can see the unit EV, and this is the form energy. This is also in EV. So you have to subtract the form energy from this first column. So sometimes there is confusion. Like some of us, we can subtract the form energy from the second column, but this is not what we have to do. We have to subtract the form energy from first column. Okay, let's open this file through OriginPro. So this is the OriginPro that I use to plot. This is the best software for me for plotting. You can even use Python for plotting, but for me, this is the best software for plotting. Let me drag it. Then, okay. Now let's copy these two columns. Control V, then just delete it. So what was the Fermi energy? 6.474 maybe. So here's the Fermi energy. You can also get the Fermi energy like grip Fermi NSCF dot out. Yeah, you can also get from Fermi energy from the NSCF dot out. Grip means like it will search this word Fermi word from NSCF file. Okay, so this is the Linux command. Grip means to search. What to search? The word Fermi. F should be capital FERMI. From which file? From NSCF.out file. So this is 6.747. I can close this. So this is the first column. So from here, A, because A is the name of the column, A minus 6.747. Just enter it. You can see now in 1 it is minus 20. It will change. You can see minus 26 because we subtracted the Fermi energy. Now select this 2 and from here you can click this line for plotting. It looks like this. Okay. Now let's make it beautiful. Okay, so how to start? Let's first change its. So what we can do is we can keep band and DOS side by side. So for that, we can change the axis. Let's change the axis first. Graph, go to change X and Y axis. You can see it goes like this. Let's change the dimension as width can be 6, height can be 8. This is the standard size that I always use, like this. So this is like from 0 to 25. Okay, let's make this. First, let's change the y-axis. We can make it like from -3 to 3. Let's check by the increment of 1. Yeah, it's looking fine. So -3 to 3, and x-axis we can change from like 0 to maybe 20 or 18. Let's double click on this line. This is from 0 to 18 maybe. Let's check. Yeah, it's fine. And the increment of 5, this is also fine, but let's change it like, let's make it 20, and then increment is 5. Just fine. Yeah, now click on this number. No, first let's change the width of this line. Click on this line and do Control A from keyboard, so all line will be selected. Then change it like 2, make it 2. Let's check 3. 3 is also fine, but yeah, 3 is fine. 3 is fine. Let's click on this number. So when you click, all these numbers are selected. Go to like 30. Yeah, 30 is fine. Make it bold. Click here, same, 30 and bold. So now right click on this space and do fit page to layers. Click OK. Yeah, it looks like this. Now here you can write E minus E Fermi. It is on EV. Same size, bold, and this Fermi should be subscript. So it looks fine. And this is DOS. In the bracket, write states for EV. Control all from here. 30 and bold. This you can delete. Double click on this line. You can change the color. I will make it black, and the width same, 3. You can change the color from here. Like if you want blue color, you can change it. But for now, let's keep it black. And this is the legend. You can right click on this, go to properties. You can change from here, like just delete this. You can see the B is deleted. Delete this, and right here, yes, I like this represents silicon. Size same 30, and bold. No, bold. You can see for bold, like you have to select this all and click B. Bold. Okay, and go to frame. If you don't need frame, then select none, apply. So this is how it looks. This, and to save it, okay, let's get the Fermi line here, line for Fermi. We subtracted the Fermi, that's why it is at 0. Double click on this line. We don't need the arrow, and the lines will be, the width will be 3, same as before, and dash. Like if you want to increase the dimension, so you can see here, like it in at 99. So let's make it like 102. It extended up to here. I think 100 is fine. You can make it 0, or manually also you can increase it. If you want to increase, like can be increased. This is fine. Let's move it little right, so it looks better. Yeah, and you can use this text tool, and you can write. If you want to write anything, you can just use this, like E G is equal to what is the gap. If there is a gap, it has no gap, so no need to write. And how to save it? Don't take the screenshot. So I saw like some of us use screenshot tool to just take the screenshot. This will decrease the quality of the image. So for saving in high quality, what I do is go to file and go to export graph advanced, then open dialog box. Here we have to select the file name, like DOS. I can write DOS. Yes, and let's save in PDF. Okay, PDF, and the location is like desktop, and go down and go to this image setting, and go to this PDF option. Resolution is 96. You can increase from here, like suppose 100. Then click OK. So that I saved in PDF. Now let's save in PNG also. Same option, graph, export graphs, advanced, open dialog. This time we want to save in PNG. File name is fine. Location is desktop. Go down, and here DPI resolution. So in your system it may be 100, so it gives low quality. So use 600. 600 is fine. Use 600, and color depth 24-bit color. It is fine. Click OK. Now you can close this. And save changes. You can save this in any location. Like this is the origin profile. Let's go to desktop and save in. So this format is .opju. So this is origin profile. Okay. If you want to edit, you can edit later on. So here we have 4 files. This is the file that we got from Quantum Espresso, which I downloaded from supercomputer. This is the plot in PDF format. This is in PNG, and this is OriginPro. Okay. First, let me open this OriginPro. So when I open, it will open the project that we plotted. If you want to make some edit, we can use OriginPro file. Just wait for some time. Yeah, so this is the file, OriginPro file. We can, if you want to make some changes, you can make changes. Okay, that's fine. Now let's open PDF. This is the PDF. Double click. So if I zoom it, you can see. If I zoom, see the quality. See the quality. So PDF has very good quality. Okay, if you want to check this silicon, see the quality. However I zoom, there is no any blur or anything. It has best quality. Okay, PDF. PNG is also not bad. Let's open the PNG. Let's open. You can see even in PNG the quality is very good. Look, I'm zooming up to this. Even PNG is not bad when you use 600. Okay, now in PNG what I do is usually I right click and open it with paint. You can see edit with paint or open with paint. I open with paint, and what I do is right click by pressing Ctrl, and from the mouse you can make it small or you can make it small from here. Then I just bring it up to here, so I don't need this space, so I crop like this. In PDF also you can do this, but you can, for PDF you can use online tool like crop PDF image. There is one website I can show you. Okay, so now save this. Save. Now if I open this, you can see there is no extra space here. This is how you can crop the PNG. In PDF also you can do the same. For cropping the PDF, there is one online website. Let me open private window. Crop PDF. This is the website. This website. www.i2pdf.com. And if you go down, you can see choose file. Click on this. Go to desktop and choose the PDF file. You can see you can change the margin from here. You can type the value, or you can simply bring it down like this. You can see the number like 0.9, 0.2, 0.8, 0.6 on right, 0.3 on down, or you can simply drag it. Then what you have to do is you can click start. Yeah, start. It will take some time. Then click on download. Wait for some time. Again, close this. Yeah, then save as. You can say, I think you will get in downloads, but in my case, I have made the setting that it always asks me where to save. So I will replace this file. Yeah, I want to replace this. I'll close this. Now let's open this PDF. You will see there is no extra space. Look, this is the PDF. The quality is very good. The quality is very good. You can see the quality is very good. And it has no extra space. So this is how we can get density of state calculation and the plotting by the help of Quantum Espresso and OriginPro. You can also use Python code. If you have Python code, just paste on the comment so that your friends can use it. In next video, I will show you how we can get band structure and the plot. And in upcoming video, I will show you how we can get partial density of state. Thank you.